Do you want to generate leads and convert them into paying customers? Keep on watching as we discuss one sales funnel type and find out if it's the right one for your business. This video is a part of the Sales Funnel Training series by Technic Force, so make sure to subscribe to our channel for other videos on marketing and sales funnels that will definitely help boost your business. Before we begin, hit the thumbs up button and share this video to help us reach more people. Let's go. A webinar funnel is a series of steps or stages that a potential customer goes through in order to attend a webinar. The goal is to guide potential customers through the process of attending a webinar and potentially making a purchase. The steps in a webinar funnel typically include: number 1, a landing page. This is the initial page where potential customers are introduced to the webinar and can learn more about the topic, the speaker, and the benefits of attending. They can register for the webinar by providing their contact information. Number 2, confirmation page. After registration, potential customers are directed to a confirmation page that confirms their registration and provides the details of the webinar, such as the date, time, and instructions on how to join. Number 3, reminder emails. As the webinar date approaches, potential customers may receive reminder emails or notifications to remind them to attend the webinar. Number 4, webinar. The webinar itself, where attendees will have the opportunity to interact with the host, ask questions, and view any materials or presentations that are shared during the webinar. Number 5, offer page. After the webinar, there may be a call to action, such as an offer page where attendees can purchase a related product or service, or sign up for a service or product package. Number 6, follow-up. After the webinar, the host may follow up with attendees via email, phone, or other means to provide more information or a special offer. Some webinar funnels may include additional steps or stages depending on the specific goals of the webinar and the products or services being offered. Many different types of businesses use webinar funnels as a marketing strategy. Some examples include online education providers. Companies that offer online courses, training, or certifications can use webinars to showcase their offerings and provide a taste of the content to potential customers. Software and technology companies. These companies use webinars to demonstrate their products, provide training, and answer questions from potential customers. Consulting firms. Consulting firms use webinars to provide expert advice, share case studies, and educate potential customers about their services. Coaching and personal development companies. These businesses use webinars to provide valuable content, build trust and authority, and convert potential customers into clients. E-commerce businesses. These businesses use webinars to showcase their products, provide demonstration and tutorials, and answer questions from potential customers. Business-to-business companies. Businesses that sell products or services to other businesses can use webinars to educate potential customers about their offerings and position themselves as experts in their field. Overall, webinar funnels can be used by a wide range of businesses to educate and engage potential customers and ultimately convert them into paying customers. And that's it on what a webinar sales funnel is and how it works. But before this video ends, do you want to build your successful online business without breaking a sweat? We have the right software for you. Introducing Cloud Funnels. Cloud Funnels is an all-in-one platform that can help you build unique funnels, landing pages, memberships, corporate sites, and more in just a few clicks. It is the easiest funnel builder with profit-boosting features you won't find anywhere else. Cloud Funnels boasts of its easy-to-use drag-and-drop designer. No complex DNS setup required. No hosting hassles. Save time with 30+ ready-made templates. And make free and paid memberships. You do not require any coding knowledge to use this platform, making it a win over its competitors because it is cost-effective and effortless to use. Integrates with all the major CRMs and autoresponders, and offers many free plugins which will make your work easier and smoother. In short, Cloud Funnels is all you need to set up your dream site. Make Cloud Funnels your business assistant today. Go to yournextfunnel.in and take advantage of its awesome features. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel so you'll never miss anything from us. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.